Hey there, and welcome to another episode of the Google Keith podcast, your trusted source for expert tips and how-to guides. Whether you're listening from your Windows laptop, your Mac desktop, or iPad, or smartphone, today's episode is one you'll want to save and back up. Let me ask you something. What would happen if your device crashed right now? Would your photos, documents, and files be safe? If your answer is, I'm not sure, then this episode is for you, for sure. Today, we're talking about cloud backup. What is it, why it matters, and how to use 4 of the most popular services: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and iCloud. Let's start with the basics. Cloud backup is like insurance for your digital life. It's the process of copying your files to secure servers online. So even if your device is lost, stolen, or just plain dies, your data lives on. It's not just for techies. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone with a lot of vacation photos like me, cloud backup is a smart move. And the best part, it's easier than ever. With just a few taps or clicks, you can protect your files and access them from anywhere. Before we dive into the how-to guides, here are a few quick tech tips to get you started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Uploading files takes bandwidth. Second, check your cloud storage. Most services offer free plans, but you might need more space. Don't go chintzy on this part. Third, update your apps. Whether you're on a Mac, iPad, or Windows device, the latest version is always the most secure. And finally, have your login info ready. You'll need it to sync your data. Let's kick things off with Google Drive. It's available on just about every device. If you're on a Windows PC or Mac, download Google Drive for desktop. Choose the folders you want to sync, like your documents or photos, wherever they are stored, and they will back up automatically. On your iPad or smartphone, install the Google Drive app. You can upload files manually or enable automatic photo backup in the settings. Bonus tip: use Google Photos for unlimited storage with compression. It's a great way to save space and keep your memory safe. Next up is Dropbox. It's known for its simplicity and clean interface. On your computer, install the Dropbox desktop app. It creates a special folder. Anything you drop in there is backed up to the cloud. On mobile devices, the Dropbox app lets you upload files or turn on camera uploads to automatically back up your photos. And here's a cool feature for Dropbox. It keeps a 30-day version history, so you can recover older versions or deleted files. If you're on a Windows device, OneDrive is already built in. Just open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account, and choose folders like desktop or documents, or wherever you're keeping your photos. Those folders will sync for you automatically. Mac and iPad users, don't worry, OneDrive works great for you too. Just download the app and follow the same steps. OneDrive also includes a personal vault for sensitive files and lets you share documents securely with password-protected links. I use OneDrive every day to sync files and photos between my laptop and smartphone and desktop. It works great. It never fails. For those of you on a Mac or iPad, iCloud is your best friend. On your iPad, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud. Enable iCloud backup and choose what to back up: photos, messages, app data, and anything else you want just about. On a Mac, head to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Turn on iCloud Drive and select the folders you want to sync. And yes, iCloud for Windows exists too. You can back up photos, mail, and files from your PC just like you would on a Mac. Let's wrap up with a few smart habits that keep your backups running smoothly. Enable automatic backups so you never forget. This is too easy, don't miss that. Monitor your storage and upgrade if needed. Again, don't miss out on that. These storage software options are very inexpensive, so upgrade as you need. Use strong passwords and turn on two-factor authentication. We've talked about this before in our Google Keith knowledge base. And every now and then, clean up your storage. Delete what you don't need to stay organized. Again, storage in these backup drives is very inexpensive, so don't feel like you have to delete all the time. If you're running into problems, here are a few quick fixes. Sync errors, check your internet connection, and update your apps. Storage full? Delete unused files or upgrade your plan. Upgrade your plan. Accidentally delete something? Use the recovery tools built into each service. I know in OneDrive I've used this a few times and it works great. And that's a wrap on today's episode of the Google Keith podcast. Backing up your data to the cloud is one of the smartest digital habits you can adopt. Whether you prefer Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or iCloud, each service offers powerful tools to keep your files safe and accessible. For more tech tips and how-to guides, visit Google Keith at googlekeith.com, your trusted source for expert tech advice and digital solutions. Thanks for listening. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Back it up today and thank yourself tomorrow.